Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Are you preparing for FA3 exams, children? So, what is the syllabus for FA3 exams? Chapter 5 and Chapter 6. So, what is the name of our fifth chapter? Taking away. Okay, taking away. So, taking away means it's subtraction. Okay, children. Taking away means subtraction. Taking away means subtraction. So first, everyone open page number 65. So here given first pep activity, children. So in that, here the crow had 6 stones in the picture. Strike out 2 stones in the picture. How many stones remaining on the ground? Strike out means you have to strike out 2 stones and remaining here 4 stones are there. So it took away 2 stones into the pot. Okay, here totally 6 stones, children, and took away 2 stones in the pot. Taking away is known as subtraction. Okay, taking away is known as subtraction. Next, turn the next page. Page number 66. Count the number of keys in key holders in the Sam house, and his father takes away 2 keys. Okay, this is key holder in Sam's house. Let us count how many keys here, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here totally 7 keys are there. Okay, his father takes away 2 keys. Okay, 2 keys. So will father 2 keys తీశారు. Count the remaining keys in the picture below. So takes away 2 keys means you have to strike out 2 keys. Okay, now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so means from totally 7 keys, his father take away 2 keys. Means you have to do subtraction. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. So what is subtraction, children? Subtraction means taking away. Okay. Next, here given hands-on activity, children. So fill in the blanks with more or less. Okay. So first of all, children. So here it is hands-on activity. No need to do this. Next, when we turn next page 67. When we take away something from a quantity, it's become less. Okay, when we take away something from a quantity. So for example, I'm having 7 chocolates. Okay, I'm having 7 chocolates. I gave to my friend 3 chocolates. Okay, totally I'm having 7 chocolates and I gave to my friend 3 chocolates. Now I'm having how many chocolates, children? 7 minus 3, 4 chocolates. It is less than the given chocolates or more than the given chocolate, more than the total chocolates. Total I am having 7 and I gave to my friend 3 means the quantity become less. First of all I am having 7 chocolates, but now I am having only 4 chocolates. Okay. When we take away something from a quantity, it's become less. Okay, children, you have to do the subtraction like this. And open page number 68. We use signs to show subtraction. Okay, we use signs to show subtraction. So what is subtraction means? Taking away. And we use minus. This is the symbol for subtraction. Okay, minus is the symbol for subtraction and this is equal to symbol. Okay, this is equal to symbol. The answer we get is called difference. Okay, the answer we get is called difference. For example, 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So here this is called difference. The answer of the subtraction sum is called difference. Okay, children? Answer of the difference, answer of the subtraction sum is called difference. So how can we represent this, children? With using of minus and equal to symbol. 8 dash is equal to 5 here given like that. Means you have to write 8 minus, okay, 8 minus 3 equals to, okay, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. If you subtract 3 from 8 to get 5. Next, term page number 70. Write the numbers from 1 to 9 on the rocks. Draw loops to help Rani to jump to the white rock. One loop is drawn for you. Okay, here Rani counted forward or backward, children? Backward. So from 9, counting 3 backwards, we get 6. Okay. To subtract or take away from another, we start from the bigger number and count backward. When we subtract number means we are counting backward, and addition means we are counting forward. Okay, children? Subtraction means we are counting backward and addition means we are counting forward. Can we discussed already? Count to backward to find the answer. So here totally 8 kites are there. In that 3 kites got out. Means 8 minus 3. Okay, here 8 minus 3 is 5. You have to do like that, children. And everyone open page number 73. Subtraction of a number from itself. Subtraction of a number from itself means 5 minus 5 is 0. If we subtract, number from itself is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. And subtract 0 from a number. Subtract 0 from a number. 5 minus 0 is 5. If we subtract 0 from a number, answer is number itself. Okay, answer is number itself. And if we subtract 1 from a number, answer is the 1 less the given number. If you subtract 1 from a number, 5 minus 1 is 4. If you subtract 1 from a number, answer is the 1 less the given number. So here 5 and 4. 4 is 1 less the 1 less number of 5. No. If we subtract 1 from a number, answer is 1 less the given number. Okay, children? So here these 3 are, remember these 3. If we subtract, number from itself is 0. And if we subtract 0 from a number, so 0 subtract cheste same number vastundi. Same number subtract cheste 0. And 1. So if we subtract 1 from a number, answer is the 1 less the given number. Okay, children? This is about today's class. Once everyone revise the chapter 5. Thank you. Have a nice day.